premye à 2000 pour
substantial ties to communities. They would argue that that's a misrepresentation, I believe, of what the evidence was in court.
Lot avocat Pavleo by bond. So the avocat you are fighting for him to be bailed out or not.
Substantial ties. As I believe it's a misrepresentation of what.
pour qui ça va pas bailler là. Non, quittez le film parler pour nous attendre, quittez le film parler s'il vous plaît.
I agree that his ties were weak. We don't have any witnesses who were coming to court. So on the extortion, I'm going to set bond at $15,000. On the stalking at $2,000. On the public order crimes, I'm going to treat that as subsidiary and set it at $300. So his total bond is $17,300.
$17,300. L'aspect oui, $17,300. Bon, you mettez 15 pour premier à 2000 pour
substantial ties to communities. They would argue that that's a misrepresentation, I believe, of what the evidence was in court.